insane, bro. It's insane, bro. Yeah.
Hey, yo. Could you imagine if that shit was some sheet metal? Something with a fucking edge on it, like the door from that transformer or that utility box in the back. That shit would have took his head clean off. We'd have watched the decapitation in real time. Bow! And the homeboy ain't even tell him watch out.
It's insane, bro.
Did you see that?
It's insane.
What the fuck is it?
It's all over your face. It's crazy.
Subscribe for more insane foot. Okay, Jesus, everybody grifting. Exactly, yo. Exactly. That's some Final Destination shit. Yes, it definitely could have sliced his ass. We would have watched the decapitation in real time, guys.